You've heard the nursery rhyme, London Bridge is falling down. But what if I told you that it actually did fall down and was sold to America? And what's even crazier, that London Bridge now stands in the middle of the Arizona desert. This isn't a joke, it's one of the strangest true stories in history. By the 1960s, the 1831 version of London Bridge was in serious trouble. It had been slowly sinking into the Thames. The weight of modern traffic was too much. The city needed a replacement. But instead of simply demolishing it, they did something no one expected. They put the bridge up for sale. Enter Robert P. McCulloch, an American oil tycoon and real estate developer. He had just founded Lake Havasu City, Arizona, a brand new desert town with a man-made lake and no real identity. So when he heard that London Bridge was for sale, he had an idea. Buy the entire bridge, ship it across the Atlantic, and rebuild it, stone by stone, in the middle of the desert. In 1968, McCulloch paid nearly $2.5 million for the bridge. Workers numbered every stone, all 10,000 tons of granite. Then they carefully dismantled the bridge and shipped it through the Panama Canal to California. From there, it was trucked hundreds of miles inland to Arizona. And over the next few years, the old London Bridge began to rise again, in the middle of the American Southwest. By 1971, London Bridge officially opened in Lake Havasu City. The desert town now had an authentic piece of British history. Tourists came, businesses boomed, and the bridge, once sinking in the Thames, now stood proudly in a place it was never meant to be. A 19th century British structure reborn in the American Wild West. Most people think London Bridge in Arizona is an urban legend, but it's real. The next time you hear London Bridge is falling down, remember it fell, it was sold, and it rose again, in a place no one could have imagined. Proof that sometimes the most unbelievable landmarks are also the most real.